Hello everybody and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to get the option to pin a comment on TikTok. So if you go into a post you made and find a comment, if you hold that comment, you'll see the options you can do like reply with video, delete and copy, but you won't actually find pin. But there's a workaround. So basically all we have to do is just go into settings and then into scroll down until you find report a problem under support. Press that and then you need to scroll down until you find like the submit a report button. So just press that and write your proposal or whatever. You can, for example, just write, I can't pin comments, help me, or I don't have the option to pin comments, can you please help with my issue? Just write anything with that meaning and you should be good to go. So that'll basically send it to the TikTok support team and they'll get back to you whenever they find a way to fix the issue. And that's basically all there is to do with this method. I hope you found this video useful and I'll see you in the next one.